Conditional versus permanent green card. What you must know about removing conditions.
Greetings. I am immigration attorney Edwin Fogam. Our topic for today is conditional versus permanent green card. What you should know about removing conditions on your green card. As you know, permanent residency green card can be granted to you permanently for up to 10 years, and you will need to do nothing until when you are applying for citizenship within 3 years if it was a marriage-based, or within 5 years if it was a non-marriage-based petition, and that is it. However, conditional permanent residency is granted to you for marriage-based petition if you have not been married for 2 years at the time that the green card is given to you, and you will be required after 2 years to remove that condition by filing a form I-751 and to demonstrate that you are still eligible for that relief. This is also applicable in some employment-based visa category, particularly EB-5, investment-based, where the entrepreneur or business is required to, after 2 years, to file to remove the condition on a conditional grant of permanent resident status. One important thing to know is that for all practical purposes, a conditional green card is good and fine. You can do anything that a permanent resident can do. However, the important thing to remember also is that if you do not remove this condition, then you will lose the permanent resident status. So how do you remove the condition? Of course, as I stated, for marriage-based petition, you will need to file a form I-751 after 2 years to remove the condition. For employment-based, you need to file an I-829 form to remove conditions. For each of these, you need to demonstrate that you are still eligible to be a permanent resident. And that is very important because, think about it, the reason USCIS is adjudicating the petition is to determine whether you still meet the requirements. So as you go along, within the 2 years period, you should keep the requirements in place, and if possible, enhance them, increase the necessary requirements to be eligible for that. Removing conditions on your green card is very important, and you should keep in mind that the only reason this is done is to re-adjudicate your petition or application. So don't assume that once you get your green card, if it is not permanent, if it is conditional, you need to be on top of it. We will be glad to talk to you if you need assistance on this. You can contact us on 301-608-1555, or you can send us an email, ekfogam@fogamlaw.com or info@fogamlaw.com. If you go to our website, you can also download some free material regarding the steps and the strategies to use regarding how you can remove conditions on your green card. Our website is www.fogamlaw.com. Thank you. I hope this was helpful to you, and I will see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.